Two of the biggest challenges society faces today are the excessive use of fossil fuels and the remediation of hazardous wastewater. The Catalytic Innovations team asked ourselves, how can we kill two birds with one stone? We begin with sustainable fuel. Why do we want it in the first place? To store intermittent and diffuse renewable energy. We could use batteries, but their energy density is prohibitively low. Instead, we can store renewably generated energy in the chemical bonds of a fuel, the same way nature did when it made the precursors of gasoline millions of years ago by capturing the sun's energy with photosynthesis. There are many different fuel-forming reactions that you can drive with photosynthesis, but in all cases so far, these reactions depend on the efficient generation of valuable products to be successful in real-world applications. This has not yet been achieved. Our approach changes this paradigm, using energy to form fuel from undesired reactants, or waste-based solar fuels. In our waste-based solar fuels, you generate fuel by oxidizing a hydrocarbon contaminant in water. This both derives value from removal of a reactant and creates a saleable fuel product. You can think of it as a catalytic converter, just like the one you have in your car, except for organic wastewater. Like a catalytic converter, the majority of what is fed into it is untouched. You want to keep the water, just remove the junk in it. Just like in a catalytic converter, you want to keep the air, just remove the contaminants. So you might be asking yourself, why hasn't this been done before? That's because nobody's been able to make the right catalysts to perform these reactions until we invented them. And now we're building a plant, the first of its kind, to simultaneously treat wastewater and generate renewable fuel.